Hi everyone! My broccoli salad is amazing with this delicious creamy dressing. I hope you like it. I'm going to start by frying 1 pound of bacon on medium-high heat, and I'll adjust the temperature as I go. And as you can see, I cut the slices in half. I have cooked the bacon in the oven before, but I prefer this method. Okay, it's getting there. Move it around a little bit. I turn the heat down to medium. And now it's time for the splatter screen. Alright, it's done. I'm going to turn the heat off. I'm transferring to a plate with paper towel so it can cool enough for me to chop it. I preheated my frying pan on medium heat for a minute. I'm going to add half a cup of chopped walnuts and 1/3 of a cup of sunflower seeds. And I'm going to toast them a little bit. But be careful not to burn them. You can use pine nuts if you prefer. Okay, the walnuts and sunflower seeds are toasted. I'm going to turn off the heat and reserve. I'm going to make a lot of broccoli salad. So I'm going to use 2 packages of broccoli. I'm going to wash them and cut them up. Okay, so I cut the broccoli in half or into quarter pieces and even got the longer stems cut up as well. And this is how much I got. And to that, I'm going to add 1 medium carrot that I shredded, the bacon that I chopped, 1.5 cups of craisins, cranberry raisins. I know it comes chopped up, but not, small enough, so I chopped it again. And I'm also going to add the nuts. And also about 1 cup of shredded cheese. I really like the 4-cheese Mexican blend. And just mix it up. Now, you may add half of a chopped onion here. I would use sweet Vidalia onion. Some people like to use red onion, but the red onion, in my opinion, is too strong. I prefer to not add onion to this. Yeah, I can use a sweet Vidalia onion dressing and give a little onion flavor to it if I want. That's it for the salad mix. Now I'm going to make the dressing. So you obviously can add whatever dressing you like, but I like a mixture of mayonnaise. If you don't like mayonnaise, you can use Greek yogurt, whatever you like. But I'm going to add probably 1.5 cups of mayonnaise. 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of sour cream. And I like my dressing to be sweet. I'm going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 heaping tablespoons of low-fat yogurt. It's a vanilla flavored yogurt. This is a great make-ahead dish. And then I just have to mix it all up. Look at that. So good. And the bacon shrunk pretty good, didn't it? I confess I ate 1 slice of it. But still, that's why it's better to add the whole pound. At the end, there's not going to be much bacon left in here. And by tomorrow, all the flavors are going to be married better. Okay, so I'm going to put some in my bowl, and then I'm going to show you how I like to eat it. This is so good. A little more. And now, the best part, a little golden raisin that was invited to the party in the last minute. And guess what else? Greek yogurt dipped cranberry bites. You can call me crazy if you want, but they're so good, everybody. Delicious. I am going to take a bite. Yum. Amazing. Thank you for watching.